Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great. Today I'm here with another sewing project. As you can see, we have this gorgeous shrug top in front of us, which is made out of a scarf. This project is a perfect way to use your leftover fabrics or scarves in your hand. This project also could be used as a bathing suit cover up or beach suit shrug. You can also use on top of jeans or a gym suit. There's so many variety of ways to use this project, and also there's so many variety of ways to create this project, as you can also adjust your length, or you can adjust the fitting, or wear in a variety of ways to create different looks. I'm super excited to share with you this project. This project is a beginner friendly, so anybody can give it a try to create a new look. Before heading down to the project, if you are new to my channel, you are very warmly welcome. You're gonna learn here sewing, cooking and DIY projects. Just go ahead and subscribe so you can get all the further updates related with this channel. If you already a regular subscriber, I'm sure you're already enjoying all the wonderful projects over here. So let's go ahead and start it. So here is my scarf, which is very adorable. I love the designing on the bottom, the tassel, and then the thread taking out design. So the one side have a 2 lines and the other side have a 1 line. So the 1 line I'm taking for back, and for 2 lines I'm taking for front. So the total length of my scarf is 50 inches, and half of scarf is 25 inches long, 25 for front, 25 for back, and width of this scarf is totally I gonna have a 34 inches. Is this I just fold in half so I can have a cut in the center. So simply you're just gonna first iron your scarf and then fold on 4 ways, so you can get, I mean, you're gonna fold in 2 ways, but you're gonna get the 4 layers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. All right, so that's how you're gonna do that. I'm not opening for you because I just iron it. Okay, and the simply thing, so you have to make sure which layers you want to have a outer, or which one for your back, or which one for your front. So I know this is my front layer, so I just gonna pick only 1 layer. Okay, put your hand inside so you can have some idea. So I have ironed it so I can get the exactly perfect crease, you know, when I'm cutting. So all we just have to do only 1 cut. Okay, so make sure you are not cutting. That would be more safe if you're gonna remove other layer. So in that way we are just cutting 1 fabric, and I'm just cutting from here so I know where my mark is. Okay, so now I'm going to open for you because I have already ironed, so I know where I'm cutting. Okay, now take these 2 panels, all right, corner to corner, and fold it, because I just gonna make a little bit of curve for neckline. That's, you have it. Remember, that's your back fabric, it's your neckline, and that's your front. Okay, use any circle or whatever you have in your hand. I just gonna use this one, and we're just gonna make little circle, like a 2.5 inches or 3 inches. Okay, a very little circle. You don't need to have a big one. Okay, and now this thing we are going to take as a curve. All right, so here's a little circle, and then you're going to take this as an angle way. We are going to cut it. I know you cannot see clearly, but I know where my lines are. That's it. So simple. Now we're just going to, I'm going to use a rolling hem just to close this all in my hemming, and then our project will be almost finished. Okay, so something going to look like this. But then I also want to add a binder for fitting, which I will show you after hemming all. So here it is. I didn't iron yet because I want to finish all my stitches first and then I will do iron. So the next part is I just gonna sew from sides. So you see this design, I want to leave this alone. So I will be start stitching upper of this designing, but it's if up to you if you want to close full. I just want to leave little bit of opening. Okay, and then I just gonna keep stitching all around closing edge, and I'm leave opening armhole 12 inches. It's up to you how much you want opening. I just trying to do little bit of open so I have flexibility to easily casually wear it. Alright, so our project is almost finished. If you want to leave like this, you like this shape, you can keep it, or you can use any kind of belt, or any kind of ribbon around the waistlines to create a waistline like I have did over here, and that look is also look very nice. But the thing which I want to do, I have prepared this binder and I'm going to attach inside, and then I will put the ribbon inside of binder and create my little fitting. That will be very flexible if you want to lose or if you want to tie it. That's going to be help me out. So let's finish that step, and then our project will be finished. So I'm going to take measurements from my rainy coat fitting ribbon, as it's a perfect. Simply I just have a line up neckline till bottom here. So each person is different with the height, so you have to take measurements according to your height, as I am taking according to my height. Okay, But if you want to know how much I took it from neckline to, it's a 15 inches, okay? If you want to know how I have a prepared that ribbon binder, I already have teach on my channel. I will put a link on a description box so you can learn by yourself. Okay, so we're just gonna draw the lines 15-inch, from neckline to bottom, and then will be follow the line and stitch over this binder. So I just have a pin of my binder, and now I'm just going to stitch on both sides, and I have a leaf opening on both sides. So let's head to our sewing machine. Thank you so much for watching our today's sewing project. As you can see, we have created this gorgeous shrug top together, not only from front. If I show you from back, look, this top is perfect with this fitting adjustable line to give you exactly perfect shape or look. This is perfect project to use your leftover scarves or any fabric you have in your hand, and you can use this project for a variety of ways. If you really get inspired by our project, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking, and DIY projects. I love you all. God bless you all. Be safe wherever you are and have a lovely, fabulous day. Bye-bye.